Sunday morning, Dimas went to Jaya Asri City Park for his usual express. He liked going here every week because the park was peaceful and clean. The green trees and the cool air and the quiet atmosphere always helped him relax. But that morning, something surprised him. When we reached the jogging area, he saw trash everywhere, plastic bottles, snack wrappers, and tissue sachets on the ground. He stopped walking and looked around carefully. It was much worse than usual. Although there were many sick telling visitors to keep the park clean, some people still ignored them and here they gearbanks anywhere. A few minutes later, the cleaning staff arrived. They looked tired even before they started working. They began picking up the trash quickly. Though many visitors simply continued jogging or sitting on benches as if nothing was wrong. Dimas felt bad for the cleaning staff because the amount of trash was very large. Even though it was early in the morning and the park had just opened, Dimas approached one of the workers and asked gently, "Does this happen often?" The worker nodded and said, "Yes, sir. Lately more and more people leave trash behind. We clean it every day, yet it keeps happening." Hearing this made Dimas worry. He realized that this problem would not be solved by cleaning alone. Something needed to change in the community. So after finishing his exercise, he decided to visit the village office to report what he saw. When he met the village head, Dimas explained the situation in detail. The village head sighed and said that there and every day made announcements and reminders, but many people still didn't care. Some listened, others continued throwing trash anywhere. Dimas thought for a moment. Then he suggested an idea. Why don't we create a weekly program called Clean Park Sunday? We can invite residents to help clean the park together. If people work together, they might start to feel more responsible. The village head agreed that it was a good idea, although he worried that getting people to join regularly might bear difficult. Many people liked the idea of community programs, yet didn't always show up. Still, Dimas believed they should try. The village head supported him and shared the event information through the community WhatsApp group and the bulletin board. The next Sunday, the first Clan Park Sunday event was held. To everyone's surprise, many people came, students, parents, teenagers, and even small children. They wore gloves, broke trash bags, and workers together to clean the entire park. Some picked up plastic bottles, some swept the sidewalks, and others organized the wrestling bins. The atmosphere was warm and friendly. People talked to each other while working, and many said they wanted to join again next week. Over the following weeks, the program continued. The park because much clean. Visitors started paying more attention to where they tear their tires. Even people who used to ignore the rules began changing their habits because they saw their neighbors working together. In the end, this experience showed why environmental awareness is important and how a simple idea can create real change when people work together. Dimas realized that keeping the park clean was not only the job of the cleaning staff of the village, of which it was everyone's responsibility. Though teamwork, patience, and care for the environment, even a small community can make a big differences. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.